The enigmatic wolves, masters of the wild. Wolves, the magnificent and mysterious creatures of the wilderness, have captivated human imaginations for centuries. Revered as symbols of strength, cunning, and resilience, wolves have played vital roles in ecosystems, cultures, and folklore worldwide. In this article, we will embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of wolves, delving into their history, biology, social structure, and their complex relationship with humans. Wolves, scientifically known as Canis lupus, have a long and storied history intertwined with human civilization. They are believed to have evolved around 300,000 years ago and were one of the first domesticated animals, leading to the creation of modern dogs. Early humans likely formed mutually beneficial relationships with wolves, as the two species collaborated in hunting and protection. However, over time, humans began to perceive wolves as threats to their livestock and safety, leading to widespread persecution. In North America and Europe, the extermination campaigns of the 19th and early 20th centuries nearly drove wolves to extinction. Thankfully, conservation efforts in recent decades have helped to stabilize wolf populations in many regions. Wolves are truly remarkable creatures, perfectly adapted to their environments. They are known for their keen senses, including exceptional vision, acute hearing, and a highly developed sense of smell, which allows them to track prey over long distances. One of their most iconic features is their thick fur, which varies in color from pure white in Arctic wolves to shades of gray and brown in other subspecies. This fur provides insulation in cold climates and helps them blend into their surroundings. are also known for their powerful jaws and sharp teeth, essential for hunting and consuming their prey. Wolves are highly social animals, often living in family groups known as packs. Packs typically consist of an alpha male and female, their offspring, and occasionally, other related individuals. The pack is a tightly knit unit, with each member playing a specific role. The alpha pair leads the group and is responsible for making decisions, while other members contribute to hunting, caring for pups, and defending the territory. Communication among pack members is vital. Wolves communicate through a range of vocalizations, including howling, growling, and whimpering. Howling, in particular, serves as a means of long-distance communication and is essential for coordinating activities within the pack. Wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of ecosystems. As apex predators, they help control prey populations, preventing overgrazing and promoting plant diversity. This, in turn, has a cascading effect on other species, benefiting the entire ecosystem. The presence of wolves in an area can also have profound effects on animal behavior. For example, the fear of predation can influence the movement patterns and feeding habits of prey species, ultimately influencing the landscape. The relationship between humans and wolves has been complex throughout history. While many cultures have revered wolves and incorporated them into their mythology and folklore, others have viewed them as competitors or threats. Today, efforts to conserve and protect wolf populations are underway in various parts of the world. These initiatives aim to strike a balance between the needs of wolves and those of human communities, focusing on coexistence rather than conflict. Education, research, and responsible management are key components of these efforts. Wolves remain one of the most iconic and enigmatic creatures on our planet. Their history, biology, social structure, and ecological significance continue to inspire awe and fascination. As we strive to preserve the delicate balance of our natural world, understanding and respecting these majestic animals is essential. Wolves, the masters of the wild, remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of harmonious coexistence with nature. Wolves, majestic and highly social creatures, are apex predators with keen senses and a rich history intertwined with human civilization. Their iconic howling and vital role in ecosystem balance make them symbols of wilderness and resilience, highlighting the importance of their conservation and coexistence with humans.